Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to upload shorts in your PC and edit the thumbnail on your mobile. Okay, it's very simple. Already I have uploaded this video. This video is less than 60 seconds. So already uploaded and automatically it got detected as shorts. You can assign the playlist and any change if you want to make, you can add it, including keywords. Okay, and then I'm going to fill other things. Okay, do not publish it. Okay, don't publish it. You can tag your products. And you can add related video. Okay, finally go to visibility and choose private. Do not publish because we need to change that thumbnail, because here it says you can change the thumbnail on the YouTube mobile app. Okay, so now I'm going to visibility and make it private. I'm just saving it. So now go to your mobile. So go to YouTube app and tap on the profile and then go to view channel, and here come to manage videos. Click on the manage videos. So this is the one I have uploaded it. So you need to press on this icon. You need to click on this more options with this three dots. Okay, and here go to edit, or you can edit in YouTube Studio app, but I am going to edit it directly here. Edit. Super cool. Edit button is there. Now I'm going to tap it. Okay, and here I'm going to here I'm going to set this. Okay, this is the thumbnail. I'm going to set it and then tap done here. Tap done and then click on save it. So successfully YouTube thumbnail is changed. And before that, I'm going to make it publicize, visibility, private, going back. Now save it. Super cool. Now it's successfully changed and it published also. So that's it, friends. This is the way you can upload YouTube Shorts on your Windows PC, and you can change the thumbnail later on your mobile app. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please provide comments and feedback in media forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.